Yo, yo, it's Honey from the Head to Toe Music channel. Today is a great day. I'm bringing you a video on Lil Peep. Make sure you follow us on Instagram and send your beats in to headtotoemusic@gmail.com. We'll feature them on our Instagram and YouTube. Let's jump into FL Studio. Okay, I'm in FL Studio. I already loaded up a sample. This I'm kinda going for the older Lil Peep, you know, the SoundCloud mixtape shit. So this is the sample I will be using. Yeah, and what I've done here, I've set the scale here. It's a F sharp minor, and I've set the root notes. I think this is wrong, but I'm gonna change it. Set those. So now I'm gonna create some chords around this, or some melody at least. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do right now. Okay, I got this melody on here right now. Let me show you what I did. I made this with another guitar. I made this melody chord thing here. Just another guitar, you know. And then I added this pluck. I think I'm gonna go for the drums right now. I need that one snare. All guitar beats has these two, this one. I'm actually trying to find some not so good sounding drums, because that's what the old Lil Peep shit has, and that adds, you know, effect. Okay, I think I'm kind of done with the drums. So yeah, these are my drums. Only the drums. I might change the 808, I think. But I'm kind of done with everything. So yeah, I'm just lay this out after this, change the 808 and let you hear the final product. Hope you like this video. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you send your beats in to headtomusic@gmail.com. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.